DC 2-wire type sensor wiring. So if there is a DC 2-wire type sensor that we want to power up with the power supply, we should make sure never to power up the sensor without a load. So it's a 2-wire sensor, so it will be having 2 wires. These 2 wires we should not directly use to power up to the power supply, as it when the sensor switches on, it is going to pass a heavy current and the sensor will get damaged. So in order to protect the sensor, we should always connect load in series. Okay, so either you can connect the load between your supply and the brown cable, or you can connect the load at your 0 volt and the power supply 0 volt connection. This is another 2-wire DC sensor. So this is also with 30 size and 10 is the sensing range, but this is a 2-wire normally closed type sensor. If you get over here DO, that is normally open, DC are the normally closed type DC sensors. So in this case, wiring part will remain same as it was in 2-wire DO type, normally open type, but the behavior of the sensor will be opposite. Meaning, if the object is not present, then the sensor or the load will receive the current and the load will be on, LED will be on. But if the object comes in front of the sensing range, the sensor triggers and it turns off the output, it turns off the current. So in this case, brown color wire is connected to 24 volts, blue color cable from the sensor is connected to common terminal, and the wire, blue color wire from the common terminal is then going to the sensor in series, is going to the load in series, as in case here is the lamp. Other side of the lamp is then going to 0 volts. So the lamp is in series. Let's see the working, how the normally closed type of 2-wire DC sensor works. So we can see the sensor has been placed at a reference distance of 1 centimeters. The sensor's face is at 1 centimeters and there is no object in front of the sensor. Still the output lamp is on or the LED is on. Now the sensing range of sensor is 1 centimeters. So I'm bringing an object within the sensing range. So the object is going closer, say almost 1 centimeters, and we can see output of the sensor, or it stopped the current in series. So this is normally closed type DC sensors. Within the sensing range, it will keep the current in the series closed. But once I go beyond the sensing range, you can see this is the normally closed behavior of 2-wire DC sensor.